Lights flash by in a neon blur. City fades, but I'm still unsure. Racing fast with no control, chasing dreams I barely hold. Footsteps lost in the hum of steel. Heart beats loud, but it don't feel real. Running forward, can't turn back. The past is just a fading trend. Like a bullet train, I can't slow down. Speeding past the lights I left in town. Moving fast, but I'm not free. Well, if this track don't lead to me, windows fogged with a restless mind. Miles ahead, but lost in time. Rushing forward just to feel